Hello everyone, welcome back to Pablis. In this video, we are going to learn how to create 5 stars reputation contact from Google Sheets. So I am an owner of a boutique hotel and I am using Google Sheets to manage all my guest details. So here in this case, I want whenever a new detail is added in my Google Sheets, automatically using that detail, a new contact should be created in my 5 stars reputation account for that guest. So here to build this connection, I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create 5 stars reputation contact from Google Sheets. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I manage a boutique hotel and I'm using Google Sheets to keep a track of guest information and feedback. So after each stay, I collect guest details and their comments in my Google Sheets, and here you can see my spreadsheet which I have created with the name New Spark Hotel Customers Data. So here in this case, I want whenever a new customer's detail is added in my Google Sheets, automatically that customer should be created as a contact in my 5 stars reputation account. So here by integrating Google Sheets with 5 stars reputation, I can automatically transfer this data into my reputation management system. So for example, when a customer named demo user provides her email and feedback, her information is instantly added to my 5 stars reputation contacts. So this connection allows me to promptly send her a thank you email, request a review, and continue engaging with her for future visits. So this integration streamlines my process, saves time on manual data entry, and helps maintain a strong online reputation by ensuring timely and personalized follow-ups with my guests. So here to build this connection, I need to connect my Google Sheets with my 5 stars reputation account. And here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to connect my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as create 5 stars reputation contact from Google Sheets. And here I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder in Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more link given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to our forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder in Pabbly Connect. So moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see I have successfully created a workflow with the name create 5 stars reputation contact from Google Sheets. And here you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Sheets. So here I'm going to select Google Sheet instead of any other data storing platform because it's easy to access from anywhere and great for working together. It's free, works well with other Google apps, and has lots of helpful features, plus it's super simple to use. So here in my Google Sheets trigger, I'm going to select my trigger event as new or updated spreadsheet row, so that whenever a new spreadsheet row is added in my Google Sheets, automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response. And here you can see we have received a webhook URL. That means I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below. So here I've already logged in my Google Sheets account, and here you can see the spreadsheet which I've created with the name New Spark Hotel Customers Data. So this is my spreadsheet, and here I'm going to enter a dummy data first. So here, for example, I'm going to enter the full name as dummy user, email as dummy@pabblytudes.com, a random phone number, feedback as good experience. So here I've entered a dummy data, and now I'm going to connect this Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So here, to build this connection, I need to click on this extensions button given over here, and from here I'm going to select add-ons. Now under add-ons, I'm going to select get add-ons. And here in Google Workspace Marketplace, I have to search for my add-on, that is Pabbly Connect Webhooks. And then you have to install this Pabbly Connect Webhooks add-on in your Google Sheets. So here I've already installed this add-on in my Google Sheets. So moving back, and after installing this add-on, you have to click on this extensions again, and then you will receive an option for Pabbly Connect Webhooks here. So from here you have to click on this initial setup. And here under initial setup, you can see it is asking for webhook URL and trigger column. So here, to get this webhook URL, let me take you back to Pabbly window. Here I'm going to copy this webhook URL. Moving back to my Google Sheet, and here I'm going to enter this webhook URL. Now here, after entering this webhook URL, here it is asking for trigger column. So here in the instruction it says the trigger column will be your final data column, on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to webhook URL. So here in my Google Sheets, you can see my last data column is column D. So here my trigger column will be column D. And now here, after entering all these details, here I'm going to click on this submit. And here you can see it says setup configured successfully. So now I'm going to send a test data through this webhook URL. So for that, here I'm going to click on this send test. And here you can see it says test data sent successfully. So with this, we have successfully set up our webhook. Now before going back to Pabbly's window, you have to follow another very important step, that is you have to click on this extensions, and from here you have to click on this Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and from here you have to turn on this send on event. So here this is a necessary step, because by doing this, automatically whenever a new data is added in your Google Sheets, instantly Pabbly Connect will capture the response. So for that, I'm going to turn on this send on event. So I guess it's done. So let's go and check it again. So for that, I'm going to click on this extensions and then Pabbly Connect Webhooks. And here you can see we have received a tick on this send on event. That means we have successfully turned it on. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's window. And here you can see we have successfully received a response here, where we have received the spreadsheet name, ID, phone number, full name, feedback and email. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger. Now let's move to action step. And here I'm going to select my action application as 5 stars reputation. So 5 stars reputation is the tool that helps businesses gather and manage customer reviews. It makes it easy to collect feedback and promote positive reviews, which boosts the business's online presence. People use it because it helps build trust with new customers, improves visibility in search engines, and shows that the business cares about customer opinions. By using 5 stars reputation, businesses can stand out from their competitors and attract more customers, ultimately leading to more sales and growth. It's a simple way to make a big impact on business reputation and success. So here in my 5 stars reputation action step, I'm going to select my action event as create contacts, so that whenever a new guest detail is added in my Google Sheets, automatically a contact should be created for that guest in my 5 stars reputation account. And now to connect my 5 stars reputation with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your 5 stars reputation account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking for a token. So here, following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my 5 stars reputation account, and from here I'm going to select my desired location, and from here I'm going to click on this connect to platforms, and from here I'm going to select this integration option given over here. And here you can see we have received the API key for Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to generate a new token. And after that, I'm going to save this newly generated token. And now I'm going to copy this token. Moving back to Pabbly's window, and here I'm going to enter this token. Now here, after successfully entering this API token, I'm going to click on the save given over here. Now here, after building a successful connection, moving forward, and now here it is asking for name, email and phone number. So here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I have received in my trigger step. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever a new row is added in my Google Sheets, automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map my guest name. Here I'm going to map the email. And lastly, here I'm going to map the phone number of the guest. So now here, after successfully entering all these details, here I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new contact in our 5 stars reputation account. So here, to check that, let me take you back to my 5 stars account. Now here again I'm going to select my location. Now connect to platforms. And from here I'm going to select email marketing. And here under email marketing I'm going to select contacts. And here under contacts, you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the email as dummy@pabblytunes.com and name as dummy user. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation with a real-time example. And to test our automation, we are going to add a new row in our Google Sheets. So for that, let me take you back to my Google Sheets. And here I'm going to enter another dummy data. For that, I'm going to enter the full name as test user, email as test@pabblytunes.com, a random phone number and a feedback. And now here, after entering a successful data here, let's go and check our 5 stars reputation account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the email as test@pabblytunes.com and the name as test user. So with this, we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken a trigger as Google Sheets and an action as 5 stars reputation. So that whenever a new row is added in our Google Sheets, automatically that guest should be added as a contact in my 5 stars reputation account. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.